Hey, I'm Ruben with Search Party Marketing, and we help carpet cleaners win more customers. Today, I want to talk to you about 3 reasons that you need more photos for your carpet cleaning business. Reason number 1 is that you want to prove to customers that you're real. I know that when I find a business online and they don't have any photos of the people that work there or their vans or any of the work that they've done, I don't really trust that business very much, and I'm not very likely to hire them. Reason number 2 is that you want to prove to Google that you're real. If you think customers won't trust you if you don't have any photos, Google's also not going to trust you, and they're also not going to rank you very well. So add some photos to all of your profiles, to your website. It will help prove to customers and to Google that you're a real business. As a side note, stock photos are not going to cut it. Google and your customers are going to sniff out stock photos right away, and they don't trust them at all. The third reason that you need more photos is that your competitors are probably getting ahead of you right now. I guarantee you've probably got one competitor out there who's taking photos every single day. This guy's probably posting on Facebook and Google My Business and Instagram and Snapchat and putting videos on YouTube all the time, and he's leaving you in the dust. But you could catch up pretty easily if you just added a handful of highly impactful photos to your social media profiles and your website. How do you get in the habit of taking photos so that you always have something to post for your business? The biggest tip I can give you is that you've got a smartphone in your pocket all day long. You don't need any fancy equipment like a tripod or an expensive camera to take photos for your business. Just use your smartphone. People expect that business owners are going to use smartphone pictures on their website and on their social media channels these days. So it's perfectly okay to just use your iPhone or whatever you've got. If you do want to get a tripod, you could get a small one on Amazon for about 20 bucks. You could even get a selfie stick if you like talking into the camera and shooting videos that way. I got this one on Amazon. It was also under 20 bucks. So what kind of photos should you be posting for your carpet cleaning business? Here's a couple of really simple ideas. Before and after pictures work really well for carpet cleaners, especially if you can get a before and after picture of a really dirty job that cleans up really well. But don't be afraid if you don't have any really dirty jobs. Before and after pictures of pretty average results will also show your customers what kind of results they can expect in their home. You can also take pictures of yourself and your employees. And yeah, it's okay to take selfies. Customers totally expect that you're going to use selfies as your photos these days. You can also take pictures of your van or your trucks and any equipment that you use when you're doing carpet cleaning jobs. You can also take pictures of your van when you're in interesting parts of town, like outside a city hall. If you want even more photo ideas, go to gosearchparty.com/photos guide to get a free copy of my photo guide for carpet cleaners. Inside, you're going to find 30 or more photo ideas that you can use right away in your own carpet cleaning business. I'm Ruben with Search Party Marketing. Thanks for watching.